Since we're doing our confirmations of fuel, spark, and mechanical, might as well do compression tests, right? Because that's the mechanical part. So, start with cylinder 1. This would be easier with an assistant, but I don't have an assistant. $140. Gonna write that down before I forget. Now I know you saw that puking the fuel out. So cylinder 2, we got 150. That was cylinder 3. Holy, oh my God! I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Okay. You probably can't see, but you could actually see the fuel flowing down in there. It was bubbling on the cylinder. Yeah, you can actually see the fuel movement. So that puts out doing compression on 3 and 4 out. I'm going to get that fuel out of there so I don't screw up the oil I just put in this. Oh, there we go, down in the spark plug hole. Watch for fuel. So there's our 100% validation of leaky injector. We know we had number 3 coil was dead. So if we're hypothesizing, thinking the leaky injector started to work the coil harder and harder, and then eventually the coil died, and now we're 100% overfueling that cylinder, and that was washing the cylinders, and then 4 started to give up as well, and that's why we have our EPS or EPC, whatever light is, our dead misfire. And now I'm trying to save the oil I just put in this thing when I did the deflood, so I don't have to waste $50 worth of Mobil 1 synthetic. And we're going to carry on with our original plan to pull the intake and replace the injectors. But now we know for sure. This is crazy. So in that 30 seconds of time that I was kind of rambling on and sitting, that injector's still dripping into the cylinder, and all that fuel is like what's coming out. So man, that's a crazy, that injector's got to be stuck wide open. So what I'm doing is I'm going to crack the hard line on the direct injection injector feed, so that the rail isn't sitting pressurized and that cylinder is not going to keep washing. I really don't like that fuel just dribbling down there. So now we release the fuel pressure, clean out that cylinder one last time with our compressed air, and we shouldn't have a fuel washing issue again.